morning! What a beautiful day! Clean teeth, fresh day!
Eat well, big day ahead. Come on, I have something to show you.
Wow! What's inside?
We can build something amazing. Let's start building. Watch closely. This is how we build.
Wow! A cardboard car!
Great job, little driver.
Woohoo! Let's go!
Hey! Let's race!
Try to beat me!
My car!
Your car is junk!
It's okay, we'll fix it.
Wow!
Giant watermelons. Wow, Dad is so strong. Let's build something new.
These parts will help us.
These will be perfect. Come on, let's build it. Time to shape the pieces. Great teamwork. Huh?
It's almost ready! Wow! A watermelon car!
It's amazing.
Thank you, Dad! Let's go! Whoa!
Wow! What a cool truck!
Oops! I'm sorry, my friend.
I'm sorry, my friend.
Perfect spot. Nice and smooth. Wow, Dad, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Great job helping me.
Yay! It works.
Ready for your first ride? Slow and steady.
Ah! Ah! Look how much I got! Ah! Hey, can you even drive that?
Ready, go!
You're fast! Oh! Oops, too slow. My excavator! My excavator is broken.
Look at that broken toy.
Dad!
Hey. What happened?
Let's build a bigger one.
Wow, so many oranges! Wow! It's huge!
You're doing great. Let's make something amazing.
Wow, Dad is so strong!
Now the real work begins.
Wow! That's awesome!
These parts will help us build it. Let's load the metal.
Wow! It's becoming a real excavator!
Great timing, buddy.
Go, Dad!
That's perfect.
Wow, Dad! It's beautiful!
Thank you, Dad.
Let's go!
Hey!
We're sorry. Please forgive us. I am really sorry for what I said. It's okay. We're friends.